What's up, everybody? D'Angelo here. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. So, your boy is actually making a video on CPA marketing, and I know it has been a stupid long time since I made a video on CPA marketing. I think the last video I made on CPA marketing was why I don't make videos on CPA marketing anymore. And CPA marketing hasn't changed in the slightest. A lot of people think that, oh, you need the latest and greatest method or whatever. Like nothing has really changed. That's why you see all the new videos of people who still talk about CPA marketing. They're just saying the same stuff that people have been saying for years, just re-uploading the same exact video over and over and over and over and over, you know. But I'm working on the CPA marketing portion of the course right here, so thought I'll make this video. This has been so long since I made a video talking about CPA marketing. So yeah, it is up. If you bought the course or whatnot, you signed up, through the link that I sent you, you're golden. Like I already switched all of those to be able to access the course and everything. So have at it if you haven't already. Uploading more videos as we speak. But let's jump right into this right here. So we're going to be talking about Twitter because on the low, I'm not even gonna lie, like I was sleeping hard on Twitter. I had no idea how smooth Twitter was. Like Twitter is actually really smooth. If you guys saw my story today, you saw the picture I took of one of the accounts that I got. 5 million impressions in 28 days. And I think it was like 140 or 170,000 profile views. Then I showed you guys in the other video with the link clicks. It was like what, 2 hours or 4 hours in or something like that. 153 clicks, just like that. Like telling you guys, don't sleep on Twitter. So in a nutshell, how this works, and we're going to be using whiteboard or whatnot. If you are in the course, this will actually be broken down, and we're going to go through all the steps or whatever. But just to give you a quick overview of how this works or whatnot, you will jump over to whatever website that you use to buy your accounts, and then from there you just start looking at profiles. So let's say this was on this profile was on one of the websites that they were selling. We would go through and we would check to see if we can continue on what they're doing. So if you can't continue on the account, then don't buy it. So for example, let's say they were doing dog skits here and it was like heavily, in the animation, and you basically have to spend like $2,000 per video and all that stuff. Like if you don't have a team that can do that or the budget to do it, don't buy it. Unless it's at a really good deal, because then you can make money off of the traffic that the website is. The Twitter page is already going to get. It's the same thing with YouTube, Instagram, etc. Like you can make stupid good money doing that. Then of course you would switch out their links with your links to go to all of their posts. Put your link right there, and I'm telling you, you're just gonna start making money. Now, once you get this Twitter account, obviously again you replace their links, with your links, and then from there, well, my bad. Let's do backtrack a step. All right. So since we're talking about CPA marketing, you do not want to promote garbage. Like this person, again, for example, 9 million followers, lots and lots of engagement, people trust this page, etc. What's going to happen if you start promoting garbage on that page? People are going to not trust it anymore, Like you're going to kill the channel for a little bit of money right now when you should be focused on making money for as long as possible, not just a few $1,000s right now. I would rather make, $5,000 a month consistently than $10,000 one time instantly. All right. So you get your CPA offers, and you again pick offers that actually work. So for example, with the dog page, we would not go over to to a CPA network and grab some garbage. Little enter your email here to win some free dog food. Enter your email here to get a free dog bed. Enter your email here to get a free dog toy or some nonsense like that. That does not work. Do not waste people's time. Don't do it. Go for offers that actually work. Like for example, with that Chewy website or whatever, I'm pretty sure they have a an affiliate program. You can even do Amazon Associates and basically take a page, get your Amazon link, and then basically just go to a page where there's nothing but like dog treats, and then anything they buy within that 24 hours, you get paid. You get a certain percentage of or whatnot, right? Or you can go the path of what I was talking about in the other videos before they got taken down or whatever. You can go and build out a whole little website, you know, that whole dropshipping website full of dog stuff. Boom. Instant money, right? You can build your Cash App store, same thing, except you're just getting paid directly rather than, through PayPal, which I don't recommend because, PayPal can freeze you at any time. But you guys get the point. You have your regular store, then you got your Cash App store, and it's like the same exact thing as you're just accepting payments through Cash App, again, rather than something like PayPal, Stripe, etc. All right? And you can just build off of there. You can even do a dog course, like how your dogs, to get your dog to stop peeing in the bed. So you can go and create a poll and be like, hey, does your dog pee in the bed? Does it do this? As I just list off a bunch of stuff. And then you can make another post saying like, oh, okay, we saw that, a lot of people have problems with their pet. We recommend that you check out this course right here. And then that could be the one that you build out yourself, and you would get 100% of the profit, and you wouldn't have to share it with anybody, right? So there's a lot of ways you can make money with this, but all you're pretty much doing essentially is just buying a Twitter account. That's it. That's the whole process, and then you can literally just start making money out of from all of these different revenue sources right here, just from that. And again, this same process works with YouTube, Instagram, etc. So you can make quite a bit of money doing this right here, But that's pretty much it. If you didn't pick up the course yet, it's right here, link in the description or whatnot. Yeah, this is stupid easy money. Like I said, I slept on Twitter for a while now. And this method right here is an easy way to make $100 or more per day. Oh, since for the people that made it this far, if you buy an account in the YouTube space or whatnot, go for those the TikTok little combination or whatever. Go for those accounts. Those are normally made by people that are in different countries, and they sell them dirt cheap because they just do this literally all day long. They just get these accounts, they put all these videos together, and then they build it up and they resell it over and over and over and over and over. Like, I'm actually talking to this dude right now for an account that has over 1 million, I repeat, 1 million subscribers, and dude only wants 2,500. 1 million subscribers, all right? 2,500. Now, obviously, you still got to do your due diligence and all that stuff. So, I still got to be able to see the back of the account. So, I got to, we got to do our little call or whatever. And then he can show me everything, make sure there are no screenshots, or anything along those lines. Because obviously, they could fake numbers and stuff. And if you send in payments through crypto, you're never getting that money back. So, yeah, you got to be thorough. But anyway, that's pretty much it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, smash the notification bell. Obviously, if you don't know how to check to see if an account is actually getting good numbers, or you don't know the like any of that when it comes to an account, don't buy an account right now. Probably should have said this at the beginning, but do not buy an account if you do not understand, that, like, because let's say all of these, where are we at here? Let's say all of these were fake, right? And they just bought a bunch of fake likes and a bunch of fake retweets and all that stuff. You just spent thousands of dollars for nothing because you bought a fake account. Now, technically, you could still make money off of that account just from the authority alone, but a lot of people don't know how to do that and all that stuff, But anyway, you guys get the point. I'm starting to get a little, too deep into everything. But yeah, again, like, subscribe, smash the notification bell. Got any comments, put them in the comment section down below.